Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Remax in Yucca. Today we're over at 6185 Merlot. Not like the wine, M-I-R-L-O. So come check it out. Okay, it's windy out here today. So, let me see if I can block it so that the noise isn't bad. We are up above Yucca Valley here. We are in Western Hills Estates. This one is just listed for $699, 3 beds, 2 baths, 2134 square foot. And just behind here is going to be the road coming in, Old Woman Springs Road, down below that brings you into Joshua Tree. So you can see there's all sorts of like newer construction up here. Some great properties. This one's got a motivated seller too. I always like to hear that. So, property line, this area appears to be inside of it because you're inside that property line. So you've got more parking up above if needed. Because this driveway, I mean, you don't get like snow, freezing, ice and stuff here. But it is a bit like committing to go downhill right there. You do get the mail right to your house. Property line here, right along where that Joshua tree is. And so let's go down. Looks like there's been a couple cars kind of scrape the bottom out right there. And then it flattens out. Really nice once you get down here. And you're kind of like tucked away from the road down here, which is nice too. So got like a Tuscan look on the outside, just like the inside. It is fully fenced. We do have a concrete roof and it is stucco on the outside. Covered entrance, and this one is currently used as an Airbnb, so they do have it blocked off. The home just got listed, so for that reason we were able to get inside today. So entrance, we do have tile flooring all throughout the house, carpet in some bedrooms. So coming in, we've got the garage to the right, but I don't like to start there. So let's go through the main part of the house first. So here we have game room. Living room is going to be at the back past the kitchen. Got a nice taller ceiling in this game room too. Good little seating area. So from here, you've got a master this way, a garage that way, kitchen, dining, living room this way, game room, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So here we have the fireplace. Nice area. You could stock firewood there too. Don't look, it's got a swimming pool. I really love filming homes with swimming pools down here just because you don't find them in Big Bear. So when I come down here, that is one of the criterias that I look for, is something with a swimming pool. But again, if you have any other suggestions on homes you'd like to see, just let me know. I am open to anything. So here we have eat at countertop. But this is kind of just typical sign of rental too, is you just get that, you know, you need to paint and stay on top of it because these kinds of things will happen over and over and over again. Nice, beautiful bay pop-out area for the dining room. And really good lighting in here too. I've only turned on like probably 75% of the lights, but it shows really well both with and without it. Here you could get some more bar top seating, but it would kind of like clutter the place up. But it just seems like it invites just people to kick there too. Here's another area to be touched up. But we do have granite countertops all throughout the kitchen. I always like it when they have two ledges, a cooking one and a eat at counter. You should never leave an air fryer plugged in. I read a terrible story about that, so I'm gonna help them out. So newer appliances, these are stainless steel. They do all match. You've got the oven, the microwave, cabinetry with the knotty pines in it. You've got the stove with the pot filler, nice ventilation, glass doors. I love these. I think it's the coolest invention. But really good kitchen. I mean, this is something that I could live in and cook in here every day. Also a great kitchen for secondary home or vacation rental. This is locked closet, AKA Pandora's box in a vacation rental, because everybody tends to wonder what is in that locked closet, and it is usually just the owner's food. So save yourself a couple $100. Don't break into those things when you are visiting Airbnbs. So here we are in this is the official living room. You could also make the other one a living room too. But this one, good sized living room, seating about like 8 to 10. I'm always not a fan of cloth in rental property couches. These two things are awesome, but the cloth, people wreck it. Great size TV. Little bar area. Plenty of seating, plenty of space. So I'm gonna take you out back after we've looked at the bedrooms. So for now, let's head that direction. They have really good clean style in here. They have made this really nice. I'd have to look and see what they're getting on Airbnb for it. But it sounds like it's been a very successful Airbnb, according to the agent. So I always like these little built-in shelves. Bali, I will be there next month. And as always, it is always a great destination. I second that. So here we kind of come into a hallway, bedroom, bathroom. In here we've got two, I want to say those are queens. Very well could be doubles, but I think they're queens. Really nicely done. My housekeeper has started doing this a lot, where they put the sheets or they put the towels on the bed for the people. I don't have an argument for or against it, other than I think it looks good. If it were me, I would probably clean up, maybe paint these walls. It's like a little bit of a salmon-y color in here. Maybe just kind of paint it like an off-white, but definitely get these gunk things off of the walls. That's for sure. We do have central heating and air conditioning, as well as this is a Nest, so you can manage it remotely. in the hallway. Just like extra little linen holder areas. Nice bedding. Like, look at that. That looks like gum. Oh boy. So here we have bedroom number 2. This, I think, is a double. Very well could be a queen. And then on here we do have dual pane windows as well. And a nice big walk-in closet. And then in the hallway we do have the access to the attic. Same cabinetry, same countertops as the kitchen, same flooring as well. And then here we have the dual sink medicine cabinets. Kind of like a real 90s feel in here. This like kind of travertine look. So nice kind of matted tile here. And then this is a cast iron. It looks like they did have a shower door here. If it were me, I would take that off because we no longer have a shower door here. But I think just cleaning it up. And so then let's now go over to the master part. Then we'll go into the garage, followed by the backyard. So here behind the fireplace, we've got the master. This is just going to be hall closet and the master. So nice good lighting in here. Doors going out to the backyard. That is what looks to be a caulking, wider rather than more long. It is open right here into the bathroom. I would ditch that pillow. Paint in here as well. Covered archways. So we got a lot of doors in here. We got 4 doors in here. So let's go see what these are. So toilette. Then we have her closet. And we have the jetted bathtub. And we have his closet. Notice it is smaller. And then in here, there's a nice walk-in shower. Same as the last bathroom. Nice sitting area, bench. Probably get a nice rainfall in there too. And again, from the last bathroom, same countertops, same cabinetry, mirror, same fixtures. And then one thing I did want to show you, because I accidentally turned the light on. Isn't that a mood? Like, check that out. That's beautiful. I love that. Probably get a new bed or clean that up too. It's hard to keep white in a vacation rental. Okay, so let's now go to the garage and see what they got there. Kind of like little things like this. So in here, Right. We got the laundry room, followed by the garage. Smell a little bit of gas in here. So finished off. Water heater in here as well. Whew. That smell is strong. So you could also move the game room out there if you wanted to. But again, you do not have to do anything at all. So here we are going into the backyard. And this is the money shot. Like private, but like beautiful, beautiful views out here. So here you have the access from the living room. Nice little area for a fire pit. Here's where you could reach the backyard through the gate right here. And obviously, like I said before, it is a fenced yard. Some dogs might be able to get a running start and over it, but likely not. But this was why I chose this house. I love the rock. I love that you can sit around it. It's a great pool. It is the highlight. It's a fantastic pool. Not too deep. Probably, I would say, maybe 3.5 feet deep. A little bit longer than some that I've seen and shown on the video before. You could at least get like 4 strokes and be to the other side. Oh, it's cold. And then here is going to be your pump house room, made to look like a saloon. Oh, sorry, I lied. This is where some mice live. Kind of a fun storage shed area though. And then here is the hot tub on the concrete patio. Extra, this is what the roof is made out of. And here's your pump for the pool. Followed by your AC unit and just a bunch of kind of tooling around areas. They have no water running through their pump. So I think that's a problem. But there you have it. 6185 Merlot vacation rental. All right, let me know what you think. Bye.